So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to improve your SEO on Etsy so that your customers will see and select your listings on Etsy website. So for that guys, first of all you will have to open any web browser on your computer and then guys search for etsy.com. So guys, after coming on their website, you guys will have to log into your account, and after that you guys will see this option right here called Shop Manager. Now click on this. And guys, you will get transferred to this page and you can see a bunch of options right here. Now you just have to click on this option right here called listings. After clicking on this option, you guys will get transferred to this page, and here you can see all of the listings that you have listed on Etsy website, the products you want to sell on this website. So for improving your SEO so that the more and more consumers will see and buy your product, so for that guys, you have to click on this button and after that click on the edit button. So guys, after coming on this page, you guys will have to scroll down a little bit, and after scrolling you guys will see this option right here called tags. So guys, tags are very important so that your listing will go smoothly and come on the #1 position after the search. So guys, enter here those tags that are relevant and related to your listings, your product, because those tags are going to show your product to the consumers. So guys, that's it for the video, and if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.